guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format of flash drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your flash drive, Windows was unable to complete the format of the flash drive, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to right click on the start menu, then select disk management. In this, you need to select your flash drive. You can see this is my flash drive. You just need to right click on that and click on delete volume. Click on yes. Right click on that and click on new simple volume. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next and click on finish. After that, the volume will be created. Just close this window and check after opening the file explorer. You can see this is the volume which we have created. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows was unable to complete the format of the flash drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.